everyone, in this video we are going to see the next type of your Venn diagram questions. Let's see one by one. This is your first example. Find the number of persons who speak only Tamil. The person does not speak English and Hindi, only Tamil. So only Tamil means, what is the circle denoted by only Tamil? This circle is denoted by only Tamil. The shaded area is denoted by 8. The shaded area is denoted by 8, which is known as only Tamil. There are 8 persons which speak only Tamil language. Okay, we'll move on to your next question. Find the number of persons who speak neither Tamil nor Hindi. So that person should not speak Tamil as well as Hindi. So we have one option. What is that? Only English. Indirect question is only English. So who's that? Only English is determined this area. So answer is 6. Okay, we'll move on to your next question. Now your question is, find the number of persons who speak Tamil and English but not Hindi. That person should be speak both the language necessarily. What are the language? Tamil and English, but should not speak Hindi. So English and Tamil. This area is known as English and Tamil. So answer is 4. Okay, we'll move on to your next question. Find the number of persons who speak English and Hindi. So here, Hindi and English known as, English and Hindi known as 2. Number of 2 persons speaks English and Hindi. So in this 1 is indicated 3 languages spoken by 1, that is 3 languages known by that 1 person. Here your question is English and Hindi means, so this is the common word, this is the answer, this is the answer. 6, 5 is only Hindi and the 6 is only English. This 2 is denoted by both English and Hindi. So answer is 2. Okay, we'll move on to your next question. Here, find the number of persons who speak only English and Hindi. So what is the difference between only English and only Hindi? Suppose the answer is here 3. Now they ask to find the only English and Hindi means 3 minus the entire circle value will be denoted by 3. So now we need to calculate this both only English and Hindi. So 3 minus 2 is 3 minus 1 is 2. So answer is 2 persons speaks only English and Hindi. We'll move on to your next question. Find the number of persons who speak at least one language. At least one language means the word at least is very important. At least means the minimum value should begin with 1 and the maximum value depends upon your question. In this question, the maximum value is 3. So minimum value 1 language, 2 language and 3 languages. So what are the 1 languages here? See how many persons are speaks only 1 language. So only Tamil, only English, only Hindi. Now 2 subjects. What are the 2 languages? Tamil and English. 4 is indicated both the languages. Here 3 and here 2. Now 1 is denoted by 3 languages. 8 plus 6 plus 5. What is the answer? 14, 19. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 19 plus 10 is 29 members. There are 29 members. They are speaking at least 1 language. Okay. Find the number of persons who speak at least 2 languages. At least 2 languages in the sense minimum value should begin with 2 languages. 2 languages plus 3 languages. What are the 2 languages here? How many persons are speaks 2 languages? 4 plus 3 plus 2. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus how many persons speaks 3 languages? Only 1 person. 1. So 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, answer is 10. If the survey is conducted among 50 persons, then find the number of persons who speak none of these three languages. So none of these three languages means here totally there are 50 persons. So whenever you are having the total value, you can draw like this box. Okay, you can draw the box diagram. Total value should be right here. Inside the box value should not either greater or smaller than the total value. If it is either greater or smaller, whatever it is, that value is our unknown value. For example, here none value is x. We can consider the none value is x. How we can say none value? Because among the 50 persons, that 50 persons, some of the persons don't know the English, Tamil and Hindi. Maybe they can speak Malayalam, they can speak French, they can speak Telugu, whatever they know, they can speak. So according to that 50 persons, who all are not speaking these three languages. So first of all, we need to calculate how many persons are speaking Tamil, English, Hindi. Tamil, English 8 plus 6 plus 5. How many persons speaking both the languages, Tamil and English and Hindi and Hindi and Tamil? 3. How many persons speaking all the three languages? So only one person, totally 29. Here total value is 50. Here total value is 50. So all the three languages value is 29. This inside the box value is 29 plus x. Our unknown value is x. So we can consider x is equal to 50 minus 29. So 21 is equal to x. So your answer is 21 persons. They are not knowing these three languages. So none of these is 21. Okay, this is the example of how we can calculate the values for unknown value. Either according to this question, they are not speaking these three languages. So for example, they are playing cricket, they are playing football, means in this type of question they ask to find how many of the person they are not playing for both the cricket, they are not participated in both the games, cricket and as well as football. So you can consider, you can always take this idea. So inside the box value should not exceed 50. If it is exceed means that is known as our unknown value. Okay, yeah, this is the example of how we can solve the Venn diagram questions. Thank you for watching.